Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Pokémon Leaf Green on PC. First, you will need to download a Game Boy Advance emulator. Visual Boy Advance is a fantastic option, known for its ease of use and broad compatibility. It allows your computer to mimic the original console, letting you enjoy classic games. Make sure your PC has at least 2 GB of RAM and a 1 GHz processor for smooth gameplay. Next, you'll need the Pokémon Leaf Green game file, often called a ROM. You can find these files on various gaming archive websites. It's crucial to ensure the ROM is specifically for the Game Boy Advance. A typical Leaf Green ROM file is about 16 megabytes in size, so double-check that before downloading. Always prioritize reputable sources to avoid corrupted files. Once you have both the emulator and the ROM, open the emulator program. Navigate to the File menu and select Open or Load ROM, then choose your Pokémon Leaf Green file. Take a few moments to set up your controls. You can map keyboard keys or connect a gamepad for a more authentic experience. Adjusting video and audio settings can also enhance your gameplay. Emulators offer convenient features like save states, allowing you to save your progress at any point, not just at in-game save points. This is incredibly useful for challenging battles. You can also use fast forward to speed up repetitive parts, like walking through long routes or grinding for experience. Some emulators even offer graphic filters to give your game a classic, pixelated feel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.